In February 1945, Major Charity Adams walked into an aircraft hangar in Birmingham, England, and stopped cold. Mountains of mail, 3 years' worth, piled floor to ceiling. Letters to soldiers who'd moved, been wounded, or died. The Army said it would take 6 months to sort through all. Adams had 855 women under her command, the 688 Central Postal Directory Battalion. They were the only all-black women's unit the Army sent overseas in World War II. And Adams was about to prove them all wrong. Charity Adams didn't stumble into leadership. She graduated valedictorian at 16 and was teaching high school when Pearl Harbor happened. In 1942, when the Army created the Women's Army Auxiliary Corps, she didn't hesitate, she joined. Within months, she became the first black woman commissioned as an officer in the U.S. Army. She knew exactly what she wanted: command with dignity, prove black women belonged, and accept nothing less than excellence. Before Birmingham, Adams faced down a white general who thought her unit needed supervision. He wanted to send a white lieutenant to show her how to run things properly. Adams looked him straight in the eye and said, "Over my dead body, sir." She told him she'd file charges for imposing racial segregation. The general backed down. The 688 motto said it all: no mail, low morale. Soldiers fighting across Europe were getting desperate. 17 million pieces of mail sat rotting in warehouses. Adams organized her women into 3 8-hour shifts. They worked around the clock in unheated hangars, often by candlelight during blackouts. In 3 months, they cleared what the Army called impossible. Charity Adams finished the war as a lieutenant colonel, the highest-ranking black woman in the Army. She died in 2002 at age 83. 20 years later, Congress awarded the 688 the Congressional Gold Medal. Fort Lee in Virginia was renamed Fort Gregg-Adams in her honor. She'd proven that black women could lead, could accomplish the impossible. No mail, low morale, not on Charity Adams' watch.